Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert medical symbol in MS Word. If you want to insert medical plus cross symbol, then type 2719 and press the Alt X altogether. So if you want to insert prescription symbol, then type 211E and press Alt X altogether. And if you want to insert the stop of Aesculapius, which is the medical symbol, then you need to type 2695 and press Alt X together. And if you want to insert hospital icon, then you need to type 1F3E5, press Alt X altogether. And if you want to insert syringe symbol, then type 1F489, press Alt X altogether. So for your convenience, I'll put the all code over here. So I hope you understand how you can insert medical symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.